Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Our lesson for today is all about understanding ratios. What is a ratio? Ratio is a comparison of two quantities in which for every x unit of one quantity, there is y units of another quantity. For example, x is to y. X is the first quantity and y is the second quantity. To understand further our lesson for today, let's study this example. The table shows the ingredients needed to make 10 cups of lemonade. How does the number of cups of lemon juice compare to the total number of cups of lemonade? To answer this problem, we can use ratio. As we all know that, ratio is a comparison between two quantities in which for every x units of one quantity, there are y units of another quantity. The phrases for every and for each are used to define and describe ratios. Take a look at this illustration. In this illustration, the relationships between the quantities of ingredients are examples of ratios. To make one batch of lemonade, which is 10 cups, you need 3 cups of lemon juice. For every 3 cups of lemon juice, there are 10 total cups of lemonade. Each section represents 1 cup. To make 2 batches of lemonade, which is 20 cups, how many cups of lemon juice will you need? Okay, let's take a look at the illustration. Double the quantities of lemon juice and lemonade to maintain the same ratio. Each section represents 2 cups. You need 6 cups of lemon juice. Another way to make a comparison is to use a bar diagram. Observe the diagram. In this diagram, there are 7 more cups of lemonade than there are cups of lemon juice. This is an additive comparison because 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Next, we're going to study about part to whole and part to part. What is part to whole? A part to whole compares one part of a group to the whole group. The ratio 3:10 is a part to whole ratio because it compares the number of cups of lemon juice, the part, to the total number of cups of lemonade, the whole. In words, for every 3 cups of lemon juice, there are 10 total cups of lemonade. In ratio notation, we have 3:10 or 3:10. And we can write this one also in fraction form. Next is part to part. A part to part compares one part of a group to another part of the same group. The ratio 3:6 is a part to part ratio because it compares the number of cups of lemon juice, this is one part, to the number of cups of water, the another part needed to make the lemonade. So in words, we have, for every 3 cups of lemon juice, there are 6 cups of water. So in ratio notation, we have 3:6 or 3:6, or we can write this one also in a fraction form, which is 3:6 also. I hope that you understand our lesson for today, and thank you for watching.